3,000 years ago on the plains of Africa. The expansion of the human diet, the restless search for new food sources that led our primitive ancestors to include mushrooms in their diet that contained psilocibin, and out of that synergistic bootstrapping effect springs the whole spectrum of human cultural effects: religion, language, poetry, magic, dance, all of these unique expressions of humanness come out of the restlessness of primate organization and the synergy of psychoactive psilocibin in the hominid diet. This is the real missing link. This is the real key to what the factors were that called us forth into humanness. So shall we talk about language? Well, first of all, let's talk about ordinary language, which is probably the closest thing to a miracle in the natural world. It's the major neurological manifestation of difference between ourselves and other animals and primates. And it's not a physiological difference. It's a difference in behavior. That language represents the most complex behavior ever observed in any animal, and certainly it's the most complex thing any of us ever learns to do. We're born into what Willam James calls a blooming, buzzing confusion. But by the acquisition of words, we mosaic over various sectors of this blooming, buzzing confusion with words. We replace the unknown with the known through the substitution of words. And by the time a child is 2 or 3, they have completely created a cultural mosaic of words that is interposed between them and reality. Reality from that point on is only an unconfirmed rumor brought through the medium of language. And every culture accentuates different parts of reality, so that in a sense, every culture is a different reality. Language is the stuff of the world, not quarks or wave packets or neutrinos, but language. Everything is made of language. All the constructs of science are actually interlocking constructs of syntax. Well, so that's ordinary language, which seems to define reality through a kind of process of lying about it. For instance, by creating subject-object distinctions, which are, in fact, not true to the matter, but somehow operationally necessary for us to navigate in the kind of lower dimensional space that we inhabit. Then there is